We all carry financial burdens, don't we? The weight of debt for parents wanting the best for their kids, the constant anxiety over credit card statements, the car payment that feels like it will never end, the mortgage that swallows a huge chunk of every paycheck. It's a relentless cycle of work, pay, and worry. For young people just starting out, the feeling is different, but no less heavy. You see the world moving at a dizzying pace, influencers and gurus promising overnight success, and you feel like you're already a decade behind. You're trading your energy and your time for a paycheck that barely covers the essentials. And the idea of investing feels like a high-stakes poker game you were never invited to. Independent professionals, the doctors, the lawyers, the dentists who've spent a decade or more in school and training, sacrificing so much to master your craft. You have a high income, but you've traded your time for it. Your ability to earn stops the moment you stop working, and the thought of ever truly stepping away feels impossible. And for the entrepreneurs, the risk-takers who poured their soul into a business, every day is a gamble, and every financial decision feels like it could make or break everything you've built. In a world that screams for quick wins and overnight fortunes, it's easy to feel lost, to feel like true security is an impossible dream. But what if I told you there's a different path? A steadier, more reliable way to build wealth. One consistent step at a time. This isn't about chasing the next hot stock or getting rich quick. This is about understanding the power of consistent growth, the strength of established companies, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing your investments are built on a solid foundation. We're going to talk about VIG, the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, and how this quiet wealth builder can be the cornerstone of your journey to a more secure financial future, no matter where you are starting from. Let's be honest, the world of finance can feel intimidating. Jargon, complex strategies, and the constant fear of making the wrong move can paralyze us. But at its core, building wealth doesn't have to be complicated. It's about consistently putting your money into quality assets and letting the power of time work its magic. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't see immediate fruit, but with consistent care and time, it grows strong and eventually yields a bountiful harvest. VIG embodies this philosophy perfectly. Imagine you're that parent, juggling household expenses and trying to save for your children's education. Every extra dollar feels precious. Instead of chasing high-risk, high-reward investments that could vanish overnight, what if you focused on companies that have a proven track record of not just surviving but thriving and consistently rewarding their shareholders? VIG invests in companies that have increased their dividends for at least 10 consecutive years. This isn't a guarantee of future performance, but it speaks volumes about their financial stability and commitment to their investors. These are the companies that tend to weather economic storms and come out stronger. For a young person just starting their investment journey, VIG offers a way to participate in the growth of these established leaders without needing a fortune to begin. It's a diversified approach that reduces risk compared to investing in individual stocks, allowing you to learn and grow your portfolio with greater confidence. Consider the independent professional, the doctor or lawyer who has dedicated years to building their expertise. Your income is tied to your time and effort. Building passive income streams becomes crucial for long-term security and freedom. VIG can be a key component of that strategy, providing a growing stream of dividend income that supplements your earnings, allowing you to diversify your financial foundation beyond your practice. And for the entrepreneur, who understands the dedication it takes to build a sustainable business, VIG offers a way to invest in other successful, established businesses. It's a diversification play that balances the inherent risks of entrepreneurship with the steady growth of mature companies. Now, some might say that dividend growth investing is slow or boring, but let's think about the power of consistent, incremental growth. Imagine a staircase. Each step might seem small on its own, but over time, those steps lead you to a significant height. The companies in VIG are like those reliable steps. They might not offer explosive growth overnight, but their consistent dividend increases act like small, regular raises on your investment, and these dividends can be reinvested, fueling the power of compounding, the financial equivalent of a snowball rolling downhill, gathering momentum and size over time. Think of compounding like this. Imagine you receive a dividend. You could spend it, and there's nothing wrong with that. But what if you use that dividend to buy more shares of VIG? Now you own a slightly larger piece of all those dividend-paying companies. The next time dividends are paid, you'll receive a little bit more. And if you keep reinvesting, this cycle continues, accelerating your returns without you having to do any extra work. As the legendary investor Warren Buffett said, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest." While we can't control where we're born or our genetics, we absolutely have the power to harness the magic of compound interest. Moreover, VIG's focus on dividend growers often leads to a portfolio of higher quality companies with strong balance sheets and a commitment to profitability. These are the kinds of businesses that are built to last, providing a degree of stability that can be particularly reassuring during volatile market periods. For parents worried about the long-term security of their investments, for young people seeking a less risky entry point into the market, for professionals wanting dependable growth, And for entrepreneurs seeking diversification, VIG offers a compelling blend of growth and stability. The beauty of VIG is its simplicity. You don't need to be a financial expert to understand its core principle. Invest in companies that consistently reward their shareholders. It's a strategy built on patience and discipline, not speculation and hype. It's about aligning your investments with companies that have a proven track record of creating value over time. So, where do you begin? The first step is often the hardest, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Whether you have a small amount to invest regularly or a larger sum you've been saving, you can start building your position in VIG through a brokerage account. Many platforms offer fractional shares, meaning you can even buy a small portion of a VIG share, if you don't have enough for a full one. The key is to start, no matter how small. Every step you take, every share you accumulate, is a step closer to that more secure financial future you envision. For the parent burdened by debt, even a small, consistent investment in VIG can be a beacon of hope, a tangible step towards a brighter future. For the young person just starting out, it's the foundation upon which you can build a substantial portfolio over time. For the busy professional, it's a set a tan-forted strategy that allows your money to work for you while you focus on your career. And for the entrepreneur, it's a valuable diversification tool that can provide peace of mind knowing your financial future isn't solely tied to the success of your business. You are not alone in your financial journey. Many have walked this path before you, building wealth steadily and securely through consistent investing in quality assets like VIG. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building a solid foundation that will support you and your loved ones for years to come. So, I ask you, what's one small step you can take today towards building that more secure future? Will you take a few minutes to research VIG? Will you open a brokerage account? If you haven't already, will you commit to investing a small amount regularly? The power to change your financial trajectory is within your reach. Embrace the quiet strength of consistent growth. Embrace the reliability of companies that value their shareholders. Embrace the potential of VIG to be a cornerstone of your financial success. Don't let another day go by feeling overwhelmed or uncertain. Take that first step, no matter how small. Your future self will thank you for the seeds you plant today. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about building a long-term investment strategy, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your journey to financial security starts now.